Hi, I'm Jordan Downs. Today I'm going to tell you about my current event for chemistry. My number's number 7 and my period is number 2. And today's Science Daily is on opposites attract and how genetics influences humans to choose their mates. New light has been thrown on how humans choose their partners. According to new findings presented May 25th at the annual conference of the European Society of Human Genetics, Professor Maria de Graca Bilcalo at the University of Paraná, Brazil, says that her research has shown that people with diverse histocompatibility complexes, or MHCs, yeah, that's what's better, MHCs, were more likely to choose each other as mates than those whose MHCs were similar. And this was likely to be an evolutionary strategy to ensure a healthy reproduction between the two. The MHC is a large genetic region situated on a chromosome 6 and found in most vertebrates. It plays an important role in the immune system and also in the productive success of a female's preference for dissimilar mates has been shown. And it has been shown that it also known that the MHC influences mating selection by preferences by particular body odors. The scientists studied MHC data for 90 married couples and compared them with 152 computer-animated couples. They counted the number of MHC dissimilarities along with real couples and compared them with those in randomly generated virtual couples. Okay, and so, and MHCs did not influence mate selection, says Professor Bacallo, but we found that real partners had significantly more MHC dissimilarities than we could have expected. For example, like if you have too much of a similar thing, then it doesn't go great together. But if you have too much opposite thing, it goes away together. Okay. And basically, what it was saying was that all the things on that piece of paper alright, when they say dissimilar couples, the partners will be genetically different, such a pattern. And with the genetically differences, as long as they're MHC different, it shows that they are able to, like, there's more chance of them not being able to mate with their sisters and stuff like that. Alright, it decreases the danger of incest or endogamy, you know, little brother, sister, you know, and increases the genetic variability of offspring. Our research has shown clearly that its differences make for a successful reproduction and that the subconscious drive to have healthy children help. Females of a species are more picky and are limited to less MHC people. Alright, and I decided to do my research part on mating habits in humans and animals. Now, did you know the females of a species seem to be more picky in both human and animals because of their limited number of eggs, or she's just not finding the male attractive? Males, for example, usually vain ones in the group. A good example of that is peacocks. Peacocks, for example, will spread their feathers for the hell of it. I mean, for the heck of it, and to meet peacocks. They are also overprotective, and that is a good example of what relationships go through. Alright. Another thing that goes on, that similarity between both creatures, dogs will mate with any breeds just for the heck of it, just like humans will mate with any breed for the heck of it. So that's very intriguing that we'll both mate with anything. Well, not anything, well, unless you're a pansexual, but okay, whatever. Alright. And final thing for research is males in both species are show-offs. The guy does embarrassing things to get attention, to gain the attention of a female. Wink, wink.
You trying to say something?
Yeah.
You trying to say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am.
You trying to say
yeah,
something?
I'm trying to say something.
What you trying to say?
Underage pregnancy is very common in males.
That's why you keep flinching up, right?
Yeah, run. All right. Underage pregnancy.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Run. You better run, man.
I'm right
You
here.
better run.
Pregnancy is the same. Underage pregnancy is the same. For example, the female lemming can become pregnant at 14 days of birth, and boyfriends in both animals and humans will fight for honor for their woman just to protect them. A great example of this is the gray seal, who will receive deep scars on his neck fighting for a mate, and fights between male rhinos that are so violent, and one often ends up dead. And that is pretty much my current event research. I'm Jordan Downs, that's Myles Buffalo, and Honoru Shikhamar filming. Okay? I'm gonna kick
Yo, come on, that's just in the video.
Alright.